Hi, so my name is Sana and today we're making some bread upma, and since I'm here in Goa right now, I'll be using some fresh pav. So the ingredients that I'll be using onion, some finely chopped garlic, coriander, tomatoes, a little bit of capsicum, two deseeded chilies because I don't like my recipe to be very spicy, and a little bit of spices, some mustard seeds, turmeric, red chili powder, and a little bit of salt. So you turn the heat on and we put the pan. So once it heats up a bit, we'll add a little bit of ghee. Again guys, you can use a little bit of butter, oil, whatever it is. I like the richness that the ghee gets to it. Then I'll add a little bit of mustard seeds, just a little bit. Some finely chopped garlic, two chilies, they're both deseeded, so that's not extremely spicy, and a little bit of coriander. After that, we'll add some onion. Now again guys, we do not have to brown the onions, just sweat them a little. Followed by some tomatoes, and some capsicum. So now we'll go ahead and add just a pinch of turmeric, followed by some red chili powder and some salt. And once it starts coming together, you just go ahead and add a little bit of water. And for the last step, I'll go ahead and add the bread. Make sure you're able to get all the bread pieces well coated with the masala. All the bread is getting well coated with the masala that we had in the pan. And we're done. We're ready to plate it up. Just sprinkle a little bit of coriander and your dish is ready to be enjoyed.